Over the past 2 weeks, the state has loosened its stay-at-home orders and restrictions. That's expected to have an impact on the amount of COVID-19 cases in Bexar County. RJ Marquez spoke with the UTSA professor responsible for one of the city's many COVID-19 models to look at what those changes mean and how we can possibly avoid a second wave of cases.
Dr. Juan Gutierrez has been working on the COVID-19 models for San Antonio and Bexar County for more than a month. His first set of predictions under the previous stay-at-home orders were on the mark. The models predicted an estimated 1,800 cases by early May. Those numbers are now expected to change, with businesses and restaurants reopening.
The number of cases is likely to increase due to our increase in contacts. That will bring together people who are susceptible and people who might be infected.
Under previous restrictions, Bexar County had already reached its peak and flattened the curve. The peak could now shift with new data from the state partially reopening. Gutierrez expects the models on May 15 to reflect the changes and give us a better idea of when a possible second wave will hit.
We could experience it very soon. How big is it going to be, the second wave? We have to wait how people react. How seriously do people take social distancing and wearing face masks and proper sanitation? These very simple measures will allow us to keep this terrible disease at bay.
Social distancing and simply wearing a mask in public are still extremely vital to slowing down the infection rate because asymptomatic people continue to test positive for the virus. Asymptomatic people are now being tested in Bexar County, but it's ultimately a waiting game. Gutierrez said an increase in cases does not necessarily mean we are trending in the wrong direction, just looking at a broader picture.
Surveillance evolves. The results of modeling also evolve. Not necessarily because the disease has changed, just because our observations of the disease have changed.
Gutierrez understands businesses and restaurants have to reopen to help the economy regain its footing and help people put food on the table and pay their bills. But he wants people to keep in mind we are far from moving past COVID-19.
We are still going through it. We have to maintain the protective measures that have made of San Antonio an exception among metropolitan cities in Texas.
For the 9, RJ Marquez.